This video is mainly for people who are new to solo ads. So if you already have experience buying solo ads, you can skip this video. So what are solo ads? Solo ads is when you buy traffic from someone who has an existing email list of subscribers. You pay them to send an email to the list promoting your product, which is most of the time it's going to be a free product that you're offering on a squeeze page, because 99% of people who buy solo ads use it for list building purposes, so they give away free items. Now you pay them based on how many clicks you will get. Okay, so if you were to buy a solo ad, say from me, you would basically specify how many clicks you would want. You could buy 20 clicks, 50 clicks, 100 clicks, or several thousand clicks, depending on the size of that person's list. Okay, and the price range is usually anywhere between 60 cents and $1 per click.